January 2019, question 3a. The question reads, using a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of compasses, we're going to construct right angle triangle ABC such that AB is 5 centimeters, angle ABC is 90 degrees, and angle BAC is equal to 60 degrees. So in other words, we're being asked to construct a triangle. We're given the length of one side and the size of two angles. So the side we know is the side AB, which is of length 5 centimeters. The angle at B is equal to 90 degrees, and the angle at A is equal to 60 degrees. Whenever three letters are used to reference an angle, the angle is always at the letter in the middle. So this 90-degree angle here is at B, and the 60-degree angle is at A. Alright, so let's start by drawing the line segment. So we're going to draw a line segment AB, which is of length 5 centimeters. We'll label two ends, A and B. Alright, let's just discuss this a little as to exactly what we're going to do. Alright, what we're going to do here is that we're starting out knowing where the points A and B are. What we don't know is where the point C is. The angle at A is 60 degrees, so we're going to construct our 60-degree angle and draw the line up. The angle at B is 90 degrees, so we're going to construct our 90-degree angle and draw the line up. Anywhere the two lines intersect, that will be the point C. And of course, now once I know all 3 points, I can just connect them by straight lines to complete the triangle. So let's start by constructing our 60-degree angle at A. So the 60-degree angle is the easiest angle to construct. We'll open our compass to a suitable radius, we scribe an arc, which we must ensure comes around and cut the line AB. Where the arc cuts the line AB, that is my 0 mark. Alright, so we'll scribe our arc. Then without shifting the compass, we'll move the metal tip from A to that 0 mark and scribe a second arc to cut the first arc. Now a line from A through where those two arcs intersect will give me a 60-degree angle. So I'm going to draw my line up from A through where the two arcs intersect to get my 60-degree angle. So next I'm going to construct my 90-degree angle at B. Now 90 is in the middle between 120 and between 60 and 120. So let's start. So we're going to scribe our arc. The arc comes around and cut the line AB at 0. Then I move the metal tip from B, put it at 0 without shifting the compass. So the initial radius that gave me that point where the arc cuts the line AB, that initial radius must not change. All I simply do is move the metal tip from B and put it where the arc cuts the line AB. And I scribe my second arc to cut the first arc. So that is my 60-degree mark. I then move the metal tip up from 0, put it at my 60-degree mark, and scribe a third arc to cut the first arc at the 120-degree mark. So that is my 120-degree mark. And now, of course, 90 is in the middle between 60 and 120. If I bisect between 60 and 120, draw my line up, I'm going to get my 90-degree mark. So, keeping my metal tip at the 60-degree mark, I scribe an arc above B. Then I simply move the tip over to my 120-degree mark without shifting. Scribe a second arc to intersect that arc in front of B. Now a line from B to through where those two arcs intersect will give me 90 degrees. Now, wherever this line that I'm drawing up from B intersects that first line from A, that will be the point C, and that will be the end of our construction. So where these two lines meet, they meet at C. So I just label that point C, and that would be the end of our construction. We constructed a triangle, a right angle triangle, in which we're given the length of one side and the size of two angles. So that helps us to find out the third vertex, which is C, and that is the end of the construction.